Our Vlerick MBA is focused on three things: leadership, the entrepreneurial mindset, and a bias for action. How do you make knowledge stick? When does it remain behind? When do I move beyond Vlerick and it becomes part of who I am? The fail-safe way is to make it practical. If I hear something and I'm able to practice that and I see the results of what I have practiced, that makes it stick.
Within the Executive Online MBA, you have a key up, which is called the Knowledge in Action Project. So the key is that we take all the learnings we have learned during the MBA journey into practice by doing a project like within the company and try to make something useful out of it.
It's typically something that relates to their own organization. And that's really where we also see the impact for the employer, because then there is value for the candidate, but also value that goes directly back to the employer. Everywhere at Vlerick, in all the programs, in our teaching in general, is the impact, is what can students do with whatever piece of knowledge that we give them. It's the exercise, it's the knowledge into action that matters.
I'm working in the radiation oncology workspace, so we make machines and software to treat cancer patients. And the goal of my project was to take a product that we had a few years in the market and really look if there's a potential growth strategy that we can apply for this product. And I did this by doing a market analysis, really an in-depth market analysis, by really talking to a lot of stakeholders internally, but also go to customers, try to understand how they're using the product, and really using all of the framework we applied in our marketing, as well as in the strategy course, into that project. The Knowledge and Action project consists out of two deliverables. The first one is creating a report where you really summarize everything what you have done, and that includes literature review as well as the methodology you used, as well as the results and the conclusion. And then you have the honor to present this in front of your industry promoter as well as your academic promoter and a chair, and really be able to explain what you have done and then answer a few questions.
In the Knowledge and Action project, we make sure that the students appreciate that rigor, having a critical view, whether you're a consultant, whether you're a manager, you need to have that rigorous process in whatever problem you solve, so that you get towards an answer that truly is fit for that particular problem, and that makes a difference.
So what the Knowledge and Action project really brought to me was, first of all, taking all the knowledge I gathered over all the courses and apply it in practice within a company. Second of all, it helped me to really go to different stakeholders and talk about business topics, which I would never have done before. It opened doors that I wouldn't have been able to open if I wouldn't have done the MBA. So I think it is a great project for the company, because now they have new growth strategies. But it was also great added value for me because it helped me grow professionally and opening my network within the company, and hopefully helping me to grow further within my career.